had an incident few minutes ago, and my mind wanted to play tricks on me. Trick in the sense that I felt like I'm being stereotyped because I'm a Nigerian. That's just a scenario. Here is my point. What I'm trying to say is that the biggest problem I think we have as human beings is ourselves. We are our biggest limitation, because we always have a way of ending up at self-pity. Self-pity, the thief of our dream, the thief of productivity, mother of stagnation. Oh, it's because I'm a Nigerian. Oh, it's because I'm black. Oh, it's because I'm poor. Oh, it's because my parents were too busy and they didn't have time for me. There is always a reason to end up at self-pity. But when you come to realize that nobody is coming to save you, it forces you into creativity mood, creativity mindset, instead of being sad and draining yourself. You know? Because at the end of the day, there are always going to be reasons to feel sad. I was just starting to feel sad. I'm like, what? Hell no. I've been productive today. I'm grateful for the gift of life. A mindset that you should know is that as soon as you wake up in the morning and you realize, oh, this is another day, I'm still alive, that means there is an opportunity to be greater, an opportunity to level up, an opportunity to do better. People who don't have arms, they don't have legs, they are conquering, they are moving, they are innovative, they are so what excuse do you have? I'm speaking to you, I'm speaking to myself. Until my last breath, I'm going to keep trying. I'm going to keep looking for a way to get better. I'm going to keep chasing my dreams. And I'm not going to let self-pity rob me of all my potentials and the dreams ahead of me. As far as God keep me alive, I'm going to get there. You are going to see me on your TV screen. You are going to see me in the magazine. When you go on social media, you are going to see me. And this is a message for those of you who are out there and procrastinating, whatever it is, be it fitness, be it work, be it relationship, family, whatever it is. As far as you are alive, you have breath in you, you can move, you have no excuses. Absolutely no excuses. This is a wake-up call. Get your ass up today and do something. Quit that self-pity, because it's only going to destroy you and not get you nowhere. Absolutely nowhere. So do yourself a favor and stop blaming other people or circumstances or the position God has put you in. Look at the life God has given you. I'm sure there are a lot of things you can do today. So get yourself off that bed right now, off that mood, off that suicidal thoughts, that self-pity, because you are only doing yourself more harm, and you are the barrier to your dream and your success and to the next level. Keep dreaming, keep showing up, and most especially, act. Don't just think, act. I'll see you again. Home now. Ciao.